Hi, welcome to the first screencast of Prevent. In this screencast, we will show you how to install Prevent. So once you have the Prevent setup, double click on it. You will get the welcome to the Prevent setup wizard screen. Click on next. Here you need to type the serial number. Click on next. It is the end user license agreement. Please go through it, and if you choose to accept, click on I accept. Click on next. If you want to install Prevent on all the users which are created in this particular operating system, then choose everybody all users. Otherwise, you can choose only for me. In this particular regards, the Ritesh is me, and this is my system with the name Ritesh. Okay. So as of now, I am installing for all users. I am choosing everybody. I'll click on install. Now it will install Prevent, and it shows me that this particular installation is complete, and now you can launch Prevent. So for launching it, you need to click on finish. So pretty simple and easy. We will meet in next screencast in which we will show you how to use Prevent. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.